Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Oh So and So. Well, I'm sitting at this table, and I realized I had 7 days off in a row, so I'm making every day count. I've got these little things. I found these at a yard sale. Look, they have the days of the week. And I'm like, perfect. I can do what I'm going to do for which day and which day. Now, did that make sense? I don't know, guys. It is so warm here that it is draining my energy. And then I'm looking out in the backyard, and we have a dogwood, and it's got brown leaves. And I don't think that's a good sign, but I'm pulling out, and I'm like, what can I get done now before it's time to start decorating for the fall? Because I am going to try, I'm going to look at my calendar here. I'm going to try not to decorate until closer to September. Now, we're already in the second week of August, and we still have 3 more full weeks of August. I don't know. I'm wanting to wait till September because I want to give my house a little break. You know, it went from one season to the next season to the Americana. And I'm like, this is a perfect time for me to do some extra cleaning and organizing. So let's go on a little, we're going on a little walkabout. Okay, so in between cleaning areas, I'm going to shred paper and then work on my calendar, and most definitely I'm going to work on this closet one more time. Alrighty, so what took me so many extra days was this one. Now, I don't know if you saw my last video, but this thing was so full. It's a lot better. And while I had all that stuff out, I went ahead and kind of sorted it on the areas that it would go. So I'm thinking that that is going to help. But, you know, one thing calls for something else. Oh, and look. I got a new stool for in here, and I like it so much better. And I can put a bigger basket and more towels. Okay, so that was definitely a squirrel moment. Now, this is the corner bedroom. This is what I call the corner bedroom. Now, this one is the one that has Christmas. Now, see, stuff falls out when I open that door. But now, I went through all of this last year. But of course, I've found some stuff. You know how that is. But anyway, I'm washing my sheets. I'm not sure what I'm going to clean in there. But I've got to do something with this. But it's almost like if I don't get that other closet cleaned out with the Christmas, I can't get that in. So I decided that since it is so hot outside, I need to work in my yard. The weeds are taking over the flower beds. I'm just like, you know what? I'm not going to worry about anything else. I'm just going to do some cleaning and organizing in this house because I definitely have a list going in my calendar of things that I need to do. And shredding paper is definitely one of them. I wrote that down. And, you know those little butter molds? Well, I tried. I tried several ways. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Alrighty. This. I took the soft butter and I did it like this and I filled it in and then I put this in the refrigerator. Now, it popped out just fine like that, which I think that's moving. It popped out just fine, but I couldn't get it released where it has the little design on it. So then I thought I would do it a different way. Let me show you. Then I decided I was going to take the butter from the refrigerator, cool, which it did do better. But I think what I need to do is, I think I need to put wax paper down first. So let me see if that will do better. Hold on. Okay, so I cut a piece off and put it on a napkin. Now, I'm going to take some plastic. Let me make sure it's nice and even across it. I don't know if this is going to work. We're both going to find out. Or all of us is going to find out. Alrighty. Maybe I'll try a different one. Let's see. Maybe I'll try a different one. Which one? Huh. I got two just alike. Alrighty. Let's try this one. Okay. Let's try that. Now, I'm just going to put it on here. And I'm just going to press. Let's see. Well, now that did better. And then, well, that did better. Okay, there's still hope. Now, I'm trying to think, is there anything else that I wanted to do? I don't know. The heat is draining it out of me today. But I am preparing for our Ohio trip. And I'm hoping that the weather is good that weekend. Because it is, that extravaganza flea market is the 20th and the 21st. And I don't know if it's the 19th or we're supposed to leave on the 19th. I don't know. But I even got out early this morning. Went to the thrift store first. And I said, no matter what I buy, it's going to the store. Because if you want to stop buying home decor, clean out what you've got. I promise you, it will make you think, why am I doing this? But anyway, I did it anyway because it was the curiosity in me. I was wanting to know, well, did they have anything new? I was really looking for furniture. But anyway, the front seat of my bed of the truck, the front seat of the bed of the truck, I'm telling you, I'm draining. This heat is getting me. The front seat of the truck was full. And I thought, okay. So I went there. I didn't film. I'm sorry. I was focusing on trying to put as much as I can in there. And then I'm like, okay, well, let me stop at Goodwill. I don't understand. But I didn't buy any home decor. But I did buy some flannel shirts. Now, guys, you know I love a flannel shirt. And Todd knows, do not put the flannel shirts in the dryer. You'll shrink. Alrighty, so I'm going to work on my list and figure out what needs to be done in the next, how many days do I have? Let me get my other list. Okay, so today is Thursday. So I have the rest of the day. Then I have Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So 5 days. Wow. I bet you I could get all the stuff on my list done. Let me get this hair out of my face. Alrighty, well, I'm just rambling. But I appreciate it so much, guys, you watching and commenting and coming back every time I do a video, which is so special. And I love meeting all of you out and about. But if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification so when I do upload a video, you won't miss it. Alrighty, well, I'm not getting anything done. I need my pencil. I need to start working. I need to get the bed changed and the dishes done, and I gotta mop the floor and get the cobwebs off the back. I guess I need to add that to my list too. Alrighty, guys. I'll see you in the next video.